So look, I got clients that's increasing their credit score using things that they're already paying for, like their rent, their Netflix, and even their groceries. One client boosted their credit score 30 points by switching over to a prepaid card that they use to pay their bills every month, and it reports to all three credit bureaus. I got another client who boosted their credit score by 40 points just by having their rent payments get reported to the credit. I even got clients that boosted their credit score over 100 points, and they didn't have to take out any new loans or pay off any existing credit cards. So today, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways that my clients are boosting their credit score, even if they're starting out from scratch. But number 1 is a Chime Credit Builder Secure Card. Unlike most secure cards, there's no interest charges, no annual fees, no credit checks to apply, and there's no security deposit required. Here's how it works. You open a free Chime spending account, move money from that account onto your credit builder card, use it for everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and pay it off on time. Chime reports those payments to all three credit bureaus. This turns into positive credit history, which helps your score go up tremendously. The next one is going to be a kickoff secure card. If you're starting fresh with credit or rebuilding, it's a solid option because just like the Chime card, there's no hard credit check to apply, and it reports to all three credit bureaus. Here's how the Kickoff Secure Card is a little bit better than the Chime card. You're able to earn cash back. Whether it's groceries, shopping, or dining, Kickoff immediately credits you the cash back you've earned. Second thing is free overdraft protection. If you do direct deposit, you can overdraw your card by $20 per month without fees. And the limit can grow up to $200 a month the longer you stick with Kickoff banking services. Number 3 is free ATM withdrawals. You can use your physical card to withdraw cash from over 55,000 ATMs worldwide without paying any fees. This card works more like a traditional credit card where it helps you spend a little bit more responsibly, but you're also building a solid credit profile at the same time. All right, so the limit for this card is up to $2,500. So your limit is based on how well you spend and how much you pay back. The better your habits, the higher your limit can grow. You can use your Ava card for more than 60 merchants online, like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, or directly with Ava. Having a high credit limit like $2,500 and keep your balance under 10%, this is going to help your score go through the roof. 30% of your score is going to be credit card utilization. That's up to 165 points. So we want to make sure that we get the highest limits. We make sure we're keeping those balances low. This way, we can max out all of the points in this category. The last benefit is how fast it reports to all three of the credit bureaus. So that report your utilization and your payment history to all three credit bureaus within 24 hours. Now, let's talk about one of the popular options of how you can build your credit and start a savings at the same time. And that's with the Self Credit Builder loan. Here's how it works. Pick a plan and open your Self Credit Builder account. 1 month later, start making monthly payments. Self reports those payments to the credit bureaus automatically. Check your Self payout tracker to see exactly how much you will get back minus interest. Let's just say, for instance, you start with their small builder. You're going to pay $25 for 24 months. That's going to be $600. And at the end of that 24 months, you're going to get $511 back. So the final cost for 2 years worth of credit history is only $89. And this credit builder loan is a little different than the other 3 I recommended. This type of loan is going to boost your credit mix. Credit mix is 10% of your score. So the banks want to see you work with revolving credit like the Chime card, the Kickoff, the Ava, but they also want to see installment accounts on your credit as well. This loan helps you check off that box. Once you save at least $100 in your account, you might actually qualify for their Self Credit Builder Secure Card as well, giving you another trade lock. All right, so look, this is the hidden gem that most people aren't aware of. It's called the Self Free Rent Reporting. Self actually helps you report your biggest expense every month, which is going to be your rent. There's no credit check required, and they report to all 3 of the credit bureaus. So think about it. You're going to pay your rent every month. Why not get credit for it? Here's how it works. Step 1, enroll. Enter your information in about 5 minutes. Step 2, add your rent details. You don't need your landlord involved. Just connect the bank account you use to pay your rent. Step 3, self-verifies your rent payments and report them monthly. You can monitor your credit score directly in the Self app. Let's quickly recap the 5 powerful ways that you can rebuild or build your credit report from scratch. Number 1, Chime Credit Builder Card. No interest, no fees. Use it for everyday spending and see an average of 30-point increase. Number 2, Kickoff Secure Card. No hard credit checks, only $10 a month, and it's perfect for subscriptions like Netflix, and it even comes with cashback, overdraft protection, and free ATM access. 3, Ava Credit Builder Card. Works like a regular credit card with limits up to $2,500, zero interest, and super fast reporting to all 3 credit bureaus. Great for bills like Amazon Prime or Spotify and improving your credit card utilization. Number 4, Self Credit Builder Loan. Helps you save money while building credit. No credit check, flexible payments, and adds an installment loan to your credit mix. Number 5, Self-Free Rental Reporting. A free way to report your rent to all 3 credit bureaus. No landlord paperwork required. Whether you're building your credit from scratch, rebuilding it after some tough times, or you're just trying to take your credit to the next level, you have real options. Let me know in the comments, which one of these 5 options do you think is better for you? If you're looking for credit repair, you can click the link in the description and book a free call with one of my credit doctors. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I drop videos on credit, business funding, or how to take control of your financial future. I'm Martin, the Credit Doctor, and I'll see y'all on the next one.